Hello, all. Welcome to Design Model's signature assignment, Mastering Algebraic Expressions, Grade 6. My name is Donna Latresa Hobbs. A topic I perceive most suitable for developing an instructional unit would be the Florida Math Domain and Common Core State Standards cluster addressing algebraic expressions and equations. For more than a decade, the need for students to develop math proficiency in algebra has been driven by the need to promote math literacy among the American citizenry and a realization that algebra is a gatekeeper to more advanced mathematics and career-related opportunities. As it follows, algebraic thinking has become a catch-all phrase addressing mathematics teaching and learning that will prepare students with the critical thinking skills needed to fully participate in our democratic society and for successful experiences in algebra. RATIONALE. I started my teaching career as a sixth grade mathematics instructor at West Pines Middle School in Sunrise, Florida. I was very passionate about motivating students in the relevancy of learning mathematics in a real-world context. One of the greatest challenges I encountered in facilitating the learning of mathematics was relating previously learned arithmetic concepts and properties to the progression of developing algebra concepts. Overall, the Common Core State Standards recognize proficiencies in practicing mathematics as the building blocks for the attainment of skills and knowledge students will need to succeed in college, career, and life. I find the subject interesting because consistently as an instructor, I was challenged to organize instructional methodologies and coverages addressing a plethora of varying learning modalities within the classroom setting, comprehensible by all students. Content manageability and intellectual skills. As a mathematics instructor, I do consider the selected topics content to be considerably manageable and capable of being taught in approximately 20 minutes. Factors I view contributing to the high manageability of the content is the conciseness of what is to be taught and the organization of subject matter. By design, state standards are descriptive of what a mathematical proficient learner should be able to do and how the performance is detailed. Organization of the subject matter, likewise, I believe, is a key factor facilitating the topic's manageability and overall presentation brevity. According to Cambridge University, intellectual skills refer to critical, analytical, synthesizing, and problem-solving skills. Intellectual skills include the assimilation of new knowledge, the development of critical analysis of information study, and the application of basic knowledge in wider contexts. Conceptually, the very context and concept of algebraic thinking is grounded in the abstract, existing in thought or as an idea, but not having a physical or concrete existence. Intellectual of the mind. Okay, as we progress on in the signature assignment, we come to the talents analysis of the topic. The task is to write and evaluate a numerical expression involving whole number exponents. And as you can see, there are like three areas that will be covered. List and identify the parts of a numerical expression, that's subtext, and then it gives you the context given a whole number exponent such as 3 to the 4th power. Students will identify the base and then likewise the exponent parts of the expression. And as you see, we have 3 full subtext to be completed. As we go over We look at the under the task analysis. We see questions related to the task for the SMED. What are the academic attributes of the targeted audience? What instructional strategies will be used to present the lesson? And 3, what types of assessments will be used and how often should assessments occur? Next, we go into the performance objectives. Write and evaluate numerical expressions involving a whole number of exponents. Identify the base and exponent parts of a whole number exponent. Write a whole number exponent expression in expanded form. So these are the objective performance objectives that will have for the student. Then we come down to measurements and evaluation. Correctly identify the base and exponential parts of a whole number exponent. Write the expanded form of a whole number exponent. Demonstratively calculate the value of a numerical expression in the form of a whole number exponent. Okay, then there's the overall view of the topic, systemic planning. I chose to approach this using UBD, Understand by Design. We have stage 1, where we're identifying desired results. Then we have stage 2, what will be thought of as acceptable evidence. If we go back to stage 1, it says us identify established goals, construct understandings, write essential question, determine what the student will know, and then in the same sense determine what the student will be able to do. And if you go back to stage 2, you will see it says perform a task. It has the view instructional video, participate and implement direct instruction, work collaboratively in student pairs, have classroom participation, complete website standard-based practices, and then we go down in other evidence that students are achieving the goals would be mock benchmark practices, tests and quizzes, participate in discussion regarding essential questions, and teacher observation. And then finally, stage 3 addresses a learning plan. As you see, I did a little example here. It says learning activities and plan lesson instruction, day 1. Topic, expression, whole numbers, objective to recognize, read, activity, introduction, I'm going to use a hook, the video. Then we're going to have a whole class lecture. We'll talk about the structure of the expression, and then we'll practice hands-on practice. And then the next day we'll start out with a reflection again as a hook. So this is the overall, objective of what I would be doing, a plan of what I would be doing to teach the kids how to work with whole number exponent expressions. So thank you very much for attending my little my little signature and